are important because you get out of the concrete jungle. You get to breathe fresh air, vast landscapes of nature. You get to listen to the birds chirping in the morning. That really doesn't happen in the city anymore.
The last time I trekked was like over a year back. After that I got busy in my corporate life and the schedule is so demanding that I'm not able to take out even a single day to go outside.
I'm really excited about this and grateful to Swift for this opportunity. Hey, what's up? Yeah, I'm here.
Ishani, this is your first trek?
Yeah, first time overnight camping here. Like,
Oh.
how about you? You seem to be pretty experienced with all the gear that you
I
have.
used to go earlier but not for a year. So I'm also excited for that.
Okay, so this is the car. Nice. So how did you come to know about this contest?
I follow the brand.
Maruti Swift.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's like a dream come true for me, man. Like first time ever camping, overnight camping. Like I had this dream since college. I mean, completely sponsored trip.
Even I want to thank Swift for this opportunity. Yeah. I was busy the entire year. This is a good stress buster for me.
Audio Jungle. 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 Audio Jungle.
Just look at all the mountains. You can see the
Mountains,
windmills
yeah.
over there. You can see the place where we camped, the place where we put up our boat, the whole lake, everything.
Audio Jungle.